Hi, my name is Matthew Burden. I recently graduated from the University of Houston with a degree in industrial design. So, believe me when I tell you, I know exactly what you're going through right now. You're a little sleepy, a little rushed for time, a little bit thinking about something else. But I want you to know that I want to help. More specifically, the organization Matter and its partners want to help by giving you the chance to earn one of 3 Design Your Life scholarships. I'd like to tell you about the opportunity, but first I want to ask each of you to participate in this presentation. I want to ask each of you to think deeply for a moment, to remember what exactly motivated you to be a designer. Visualize that reason if you can right now. Maybe it's a car that captivated your imagination when you were a kid. Remember the curve stretching over the fender that carried through. Try to relive the experience of seeing it again for the first time. Maybe it's a pair of shoes. Imagine the details for a moment. Feel your fingers running over the texture of the sole of the shoe. Maybe it's a particular problem you've wanted to solve. Envision the benefits of your solution. See the smiles on the people's faces whose lives will change as a result. It is reasonable to assume that the situation or object you're imagining means a lot to you, and whatever it is carried so much potential energy that you found yourself exactly where you are today, literally in this building. Face it, you're here because you're designers already. But what does that really mean to you? For the inventors of BioLite, it meant the opportunity to create a stove for developing countries that is more efficient, lighter weight, and less time-consuming to operate than alternatives. For them, design was food for the hungry and drinkable water for the thirsty. For the creators of Lifesaver, it meant the opportunity to develop a syringe that not only retracts after a full use, but which changes color to ensure people know when it has only been partially used. For them, design was protection for the innocent and a way to slow the spread of infectious disease where it is most needed. These examples show the power that design carries with it, the power to change lives and to affect that kind of change at a global scale. Isn't that what the world needs? If you answered yes, are you also compelled to ask yourself, what can I do about it? The answer may be different for each of us, but for me, it led to founding the nonprofit organization Matter. The foremost goal of Matter is to encourage thoughtful and meaningful design by contributing to the growth and education of motivated students who are inspired to create change. And the mission is simple, to make design matter. To do this, Matter will begin by awarding scholarships to, well, you, industrial design students, based on an evaluation of their body of work, their thesis prompt, and an essay which describes how they plan to create change through design. The vision is to eventually transform Matter into a tool that creates valuable links between students and professionals by way of cooperative development programs. These cooperative programs will be used to develop solutions to problems in local communities and abroad. The programs will be backed by crowdfunded campaigns designed and managed by the students involved, and will be supported by practicing designers, engineers, and business professionals who partner with students to bring their ideas to production. Through the success of the cooperative programs and charitable contributions, Matter will develop into a self-sustaining system, one that encourages the use of design thinking to effect positive change, that contributes to a student's education via the scholarship program, that strengthens local design communities, and that can be used as a springboard to the development of both ideas and careers. Matter was designed with a purpose in mind, to show that it is possible to take our passion and turn it into something, so that we remain conscious of our power to create, to remind us to be open to the inspiration and support only gained through collaboration, to encourage us to give, and to be aware of our effect on others, to reinforce that design is more than just a line on a page or a product on a shelf somewhere, to shed light on the truth that design is everything and that you are a part of it. And as such, you can make design matter if you choose to. I was told once, design your life. After some thought, I realized that industrial design provides some with the opportunity to shape the next big thing. But it is life itself and how we choose to live that determines how each of us will have a hand in shaping our world. So here is your chance to choose and to be chosen. This year, Matter will award $500 to the first place Design Your Life Scholarship winner, $300 to the second place winner, and $200 to the third place winner. Matter judges will be considering 3 items when evaluating scholarship entries. The first will be your portfolio. This should be a minimum of 3 examples of your best work. The second will be your thesis prompt. This will give them insight into what the scholarship awards will be dedicated to. The third will be an essay which describes how you plan to use design to make a difference. Tell us what inspires you and the ways you plan to inspire. Tell us how you plan to make design matter in your life and in the lives of others. So check out the scholarship requirements by referencing the provided materials or by going to makedesignmatter.org for more details. Thank you for taking the time to listen. We look forward to reviewing your submissions. Good luck.